Hello friends, CSE 2025 is hardly few weeks from now. I hope your preparation is very well and you are just revising your preparation. In this video, I'll help you to learn the elimination method so that you are able to eliminate as effectively as possible so that you are able to score at least 2 and 10 more marks from your current levels. So yes, we'll go through this lengthy passage and we'll try to get to the crux of it. Then we'll be eliminating the wrong ones, options one by one, so that you are able to get to the right answer. Passage goes like this. Today, if we consider cities such as New York, London, and Paris as some of the most iconic cities in the world, it is because plans carrying a heavy systems approach were imposed on their presence. The backbone of systems theory is the process of translating social, spatial, and cultural desirables into mathematical models using computing, statistics, optimization, and an algorithmic way of formulating and solving problems. The early universities of the West, which began to train professionals in planning, spawned some of the most ingenious planners who were experts in their domains. This was because these very subjects were absorbed into the planning curriculum that had its roots in the social sciences, geography, and architecture. Planning in India and its education differs from the West. Fine, let's move to the first question. Which of the following statements best reflect the most logical and rational inference that can be made from the above passage? Point number A, curriculum for urban planning courses should have diverse and interdisciplinary approach. Uh, there is an approach that has been followed in the past, which includes social, spatial, and cultural desirables. And it is somewhere also mentioned here that the curriculum had its roots in social sciences, geography, and architecture. Therefore, it should have diverse and interdisciplinary approach. So this point appears to be correct. We'll hold it for a while. We'll move to the all options and then we'll finalize. Point number B. In India, city administration is under bureaucracy which lacks formal training in urban planning and management. It says that we are giving some kind of training or education, but that is not adequate. So this is a wrong point. It is not lacking of formal training, it is inadequate. So point number B is eliminated. Point number C. In India, the management of urban areas is a local affair with a chronic problem of insufficient funds. Nowhere in the passage speaks about funds. This is a new point and has to be eliminated because new point should be eliminated. We have to answer only based on the passage. So nowhere it has been mentioned about funds. Point number D, with high density of population and widespread poverty in our urban areas, land development of them is very difficult. Again, nowhere mention about high density of population or poverty or the challenges that we are facing. So it is again a new point, nowhere mentioned. New point, eliminated. A thumb rule that all new points must be eliminated. So yes, we are left with only option number A and that is the right answer. Let's move to question number 2. Based on the same passage, what assumptions have been made? Okay. India needs a new generation of urban professionals with knowledge relevant to modern urban practice. Yes, India needs new generation of professionals because it is inadequate as of now. So point number 1 is correct. Let's move to point number 2. Indian universities at present have no capacity or potential to impart training in systems approach. No capacity is wrong. We do have some capacity, but it is inadequate. Fine, it is inadequate. So this is an extreme option. Identify extreme points and eliminate it. Easy elimination. So point number 2 is wrong. So we are left with only point number 1 and therefore answer is A. Rest all are wrong. So it was an easy elimination method. Identify the extreme points, identify the new points, and then solve your question. So guys, keep practicing and best wishes.